London Broil. How many ounces is this? It's 5 pounds 34 ounces. So it's a twin pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make both of them, and yeah, meal prepping it is, because like I said, tomorrow's gonna be extra hot, so I'm cooking today. So I'm going to be seasoning both of these, but before that I just want to give it a good wash. Okay guys, so for the London Broil, I'm gonna use a ginger, kind of like a ginger puree paste. I do them in. So we're gonna use that. I am gonna use a little bit of cilantro. This thing is upside down. Hope you guys can see. I tell you, the light in this kitchen is horrible. We're going to be using a little bit of curry just for seasoning. You know, we gotta switch things up in here. And some olive oil. And I think that's it. If I add anything else, I'll let you know. But yes, just very, very simple. So I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one at a time. Okay, so this looks like baby food. Give it a flip. And I am going to be roasting or grilling this on my Power XL. So I used about of the cilantro, I want to say 4 tablespoons to one each side. Oh my god guys, I just opened this. Let me just show you. I just opened this to use this. Paul just bought this. And look. Isn't that gross? Disgusting. That means somebody had to have opened this, but the seal is on. Oh! Alright, that's really nasty. What's the expiration date on this? For 2020. Yeah, this is old. 2020. Yep. Garbage. Alright, so I guess we won't be using that, but I do have some garlic. I have fresh ginger. I wanted to kind of coat it with that. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle some of the curry in there. Give it a good flavor. I am going to give it a little bit of smoke. So this is a chipotle flavored smoke. So I'm going to give it, add some smoke to it. And that'll be the bottom. Sprinkle a little more of the curry powder on the top. And hit it with some salt. Now we're going to drizzle some olive oil over it. Oh, it smells good. I'm going gonna take a piece of ginger and I am going to just add it to my London broil when I put it into the air fryer, because I don't know, I just feel like with the curry you need that ginger. So I am going to peel it, slice it, and add it to my curry style London broil, honey. Okay, so about this much. And garlic is so to cook with. Fresh garlic, fresh turmeric, and fresh ginger. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and I'm gonna go over and check my potatoes. Okay guys, so you know whenever you have to grill, we have to change our lid. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go over to grill, which is here. So automatically it's set for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. So I'll leave it at that, and I'm gonna hit start, but it's asking me to close the lid. There you go, it's preheating. So we have 17 minutes left on our Power XL. What I want to do at this point, I want to turn it around because I don't want to overcook it. So I'm going to turn it around for the other 17 minutes, okay? Alright guys, so our London broil is done. So I cooked exactly 30 minutes, so it's ready to go. I'm just letting it sit there and rest before I cut into it. But I am going to add a little bit, a little topping to it. So we'll get back to this. So for a delicious, moist London broil, we're gonna make a guava kind of barbecue sauce. Something like I made a few years back. I'll link it on the top, where I made a homemade barbecue sauce from jelly and orange juice for my ribs. Delicious. So I'm going to link it up there. So it's kind of the same thing, but we're going to use the guava paste. Super delicious. Okay, and I'm going to kick it up a notch. So here we go. I already opened it. We're going to use about half of this, so it's 5 ounces. So we're going to use about 2.5 ounces. Okay, so to that we're going to be adding about 3 head of garlic sliced up, a red onion. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all these onions. I did 2. I might only use 1. Fresh ginger. So I sliced up some ginger there, and then 2 pieces of habanero peppers. Remember, I just finished telling you when we added them in the rice, those were the sweet, and make sure not to get the spicy. Here's the spicy, okay? So we're gonna use 1, and I sliced it in half. So I'm going to cut about half.
Solo sabes, momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Oh my goodness, wait. Guys, I forgot to add the oil. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta add olive oil. Olive oil! I was like, wait a minute, something's not right. I don't know, like 1/3 of olive oil. Alright guys, so to that I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna add 1 of the onions, not 2. I cut 2, I'm only adding 1. We're gonna add my ginger.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme.
I'm gonna add my guava now. And that was half.
Hablo en mis canciones, esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones.
Okay, I'm gonna grab half of lemon and I'm gonna squeeze it in there. Wake it up a bit. And my other video that I made making the jelly, the barbecue jelly, I used orange juice. This time I'm using lemon. Alright, let's cover it up for about 5 minutes and then we'll be back. Guys, let's put our habanero in. It's up to you if you want 2 habanero or 1. I'm adding 2 because we want a little kick to it. I think the sweet with the spicy, and then the little curry marinade that we added on the London broil is going to really blend well flavor-wise. Alright, let's keep it covered for a few more minutes. Alrighty guys. There we go, there we go. Taste it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, honey, honey, honey. Honey, honey. That is good to go. Mira eso. Alright guys, this is done. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to go get my London broil. Alright guys, so this is our London broil. Look how beautiful that looks. And I pour some of the drippings with the garlic and the ginger slices over the meat because the drippings are delicious. So that's what I did with that. Now we're going to take some of our guava barbecue sauce and we're going to pour it out on top. We're not going to overwhelm the meat with the guava sauce. We're just going to pour a little across the top with those onions. And I added 1 jalapeno pepper in here because my son asked me to. He likes when I put the jalapeno in there. So we had a habanero and a jalapeno pepper in there. If you don't like spice, you don't have to add it. Honestly, it's not that spicy. Okay? So this is one of my pork tenderloin. So this is one of my this is only one of the London broil. The other one I seasoned, it's in the refrigerator. So I'll make it tomorrow. This sauce is so good. It's not even spicy. It has a nice little tang to it. It's delicious. This barbecue sauce is good with chicken. Anything that you want to make it with, go right ahead. Kebabs, pinchos, whatever. So if you like this recipe, make sure you give it a try and let me know in comments how did you like the guava barbecue sauce. I love it. It's not even that sweet, so if you're not into sweets like me, this is perfect. I will be trying this with some shrimp, so look out for that video. But other than that, like I said, if you give it a try, let me know in comments how you like it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you like this video, consider subscribing. It's Lena with Crafting, Cooking, y Sazon. To the next video, guys. Bye.
Sabroso, cha cha cha.